This piece here is called Something Special. This is my debut single. It's going to be getting released in a couple of weeks. All right. I'm good now. I've been worse. Before I pull it out there, I believe first. You see, she was sent for me. The silly me thinking I was cursed. I gathered my thoughts. It's not time to approach her to converse. You start that walk, you can't reverse. My heart will talk first, I observe. High of her, just watching her. A vision clear without a blur. Words come out and none are slurred. I am sober. In time tonight, I'll get closer. Maintain composure, can't restrain in a voice that's louder. Take time, think. Don't rush going over. So I'm watching my step while recollecting her, seeing me enter, swagger in step. I saw her splendor, classy manner. I knew we'd connect. In that moment, she raised her hair, exposing her neck. Oh man. Well, I was frozen in that same moment for a couple of secs, like the snowman in Frozen. That night I was hoping I'd be chosen. Was my plan, but destiny was already in motion. Our paths together had already been woven. You get the best of me, here's my emotions in hand. They're all in place, so let's link in no inappropriate place. You're gracefully refined. I see so far you've only drunk 2 glasses of wine, so you drink in the appropriate pace. You take your time. All these thoughts circle in my mind, so I circle the club a few times in a circle in a search, searching for a few lines to assist in making her mine. Everything thus far has been non-verbal. What's on her mind? She appears cool. Her demeanor seems humble. What's to lose? Tell her the truth, she's incredible. How would it sound me telling her she looks edible? Calm down, don't let your feelings get ahead of you. Use your head, you have a head on you. I'm thinking this would all come to a head when it's due, but I'm way ahead of you. Because in my head, we're already married, live together and share a marital bed. Still, not one word to her has yet been said. Say something before this turns into a fool's dream instead. I'm going in, full steam ahead. Rag in hand for these pools of sweat on forehead. It's hot in here. I'm walking over. These next words were said in the air as I placed arm over shoulder. I don't know who you are, what you're about, your story in life so far, but I'm rooting for you. I believe we'd make a beautiful couple that's suitable. I could see this was news to you. That's how I felt. These feelings were true. All these feelings I was feeling for you. Stating my case. She never said a word. But I appreciated the look on her face, backed off and gave her some space. Let me chill for now, avoiding overkill, wiping brow. I'm boiling over still, said what I said it was real. I should have bowed in the presence of a queen. I should have presented her with some kind of present, I mean. How dare I? Off with my head? Don't deserve life. That's a lie. I want to live, I do try. I want to give to my new wife, not too soon. Not yet tycoon, wasn't born open mouth silver spoon. But we can do mid-air picnic, hot air balloon, that's scenic. It's hot air in June, I've seen it. For our future, our plot, we'll share it together with bloom, I mean it. What I just said to her, she must have felt it. I was this close to her, I bet this tear to hair mess, she must have smelt it. Forget my ex's tears, that's her mess. She knows she dealt it. What's happening now, you could never plan it. What I'm looking at now is from another planet. Most wanted, she wasn't born, she blossomed from a rose, she was planted. And that's a flower you tend to water. Who take that for granted? In the future, she's going to bear me a son or a daughter if my wishes are granted. My thoughts just before departing. On her hand, a kiss I planted. Nice to meet you. We'll meet again. This is not so long, farewell the end. I'm not done. For now, I'll hold my tongue. As we both know, something special has just begun. 2 souls connected. Is that essential? I agree. That's something special, Artz.
That's right. Here you had it right here. That's Emad is right here and said, and that was a wicked poem. And it's actually a true story. Remember, you can follow him, catch up with him. You want to say your social media feeds again?
Facebook, m.artz. That's m.artz. Twitter, Martz Poetry.
Yeah.
And Instagram, martz, m.artz. Martz. Yeah.
All right. So all the best, brother. Thank you very much for coming on the show.
Thank you, brother. Cool.
All the best. All right. Up and live, stick and stay. We'll be back.